Hello, once again, good afternoon, everyone. Today's webinar, welcome to a webinar of building a collaborative ecosystem and unblocking new opportunities for industry growth. And myself, T. Anil Kumar Reddy, I am the CAD application engineer from Logical Solutions Limited. Today's our agenda is we will see about what is 3D experience and creating the dashboard, and we'll explain about the apps in collaborative industry innovator, how it is useful, and also how collaboration can lead to faster development and improved product quality, and also which improves your market opportunities in the industry. Today, in the industry, in a rapidly evolving world, traditional industries' boundaries are dissolving. The collaboration industry innovator advocates for partnerships and shared knowledge to tackle complex challenges like sustainability and market volatility. This visionary promotes a network of diverse stakeholders co-creating solutions, fostering a culture of collective problem solving and innovation. Now, we will see some of the challenges which are dealing with the current environment by the industry. Okay, let us quickly analyze the challenges which are faced by the designers or a manager or a current industries. It may be a modular designing or day by day product complexity are becoming high. We are also notice there is a shift in work life balance. So right now team mobility has become a great challenge. So collaboration with team is very difficult to manage. So handling of information and design reuse always been a hectic task. Apart from that, data driven decision and making the man decisions in right time is so very important. And to cut down the non-value added tasks, these are the challenges which are faced by the current industries. Is there any ways to connect these challenges? That is what I am going to show in coming session. For better ontology, I have taken some example like product versus platform. A few years ago, we are using a different products to meet our daily task. But now everybody has shifted to platform, and this like all products in one platform on need basis. Download the app and use it. So platform is the future. Let's take a moment to review some of the design tools and also some collaboration tools like Gmails and some like WhatsApp. We will look at some of the products like this, and but we see here, even though we are using some of the multiple products for collaboration, all these products are disconnected, and information from this results into insufficient work environment. In personal life, we all are moved to product based to platform based. Are we doing any justice to our work life? To address this and to co-create collaboration our work environment, to co-create our work environment. So now I'm going to show you that is 3D experience, how it is very useful when being a for collaborating the some of the teams. So some of the like another challenges like when we are working with something and we are working with anything with some other persons in when means we are working anytime like 24 by 7 we are working. So where we can work means everywhere we can work there. How we can connect by connecting the people by sharing ideas and driven innovation. And now we'll see what is 3D experience. 3D Experience is a cloud-based platform that helps business design, simulate, and collaborate on projects. It allows users to access applications for engineering, data management, and more. And some of the features of collaboration, 3D experience is like collaboration, data management, virtual modeling, and also virtual twin experience in collaboration, which allows users to work together in real time across departments and locations. And also in data management, which allows users to access and manage large amount of data in one place. So in virtual modeling, which allows users to model enterprise products and process virtuality. In virtual twin experience, it provides for the virtual model of business, which can help and reduce the cost of waste and investment. And also a 3D experience is a named user login, which refers to accessing the 3D experience platform using a unique username and password tied specifically to an individual user, meaning you can log in from anywhere and any device and access your personalized workspace and assigned software licenses rather than being tied to a specific computer or serial number. Essentially, it's a named user license where your identity is the key way to accessing the platform. And some of the points in the 3D experience is like you can access the individual license and also cloud-based access, and you can also access the role-based permissions, and you can manage the license very easily. Now we will see how to build the dashboard. So this is the 3D experience platform, how the user interface looks, and this is the compass where the roles which is assigned to you, it is present, and inside of this the apps which are present in the roles, it will be shown, and these are the roles for the company that provided. Okay, now we will see the how to build the dashboard. See here you can see that this is add dashboard. Just you can click this one and you can give the name. I am giving the name webinar, and just you can click create here. Okay, the dashboard will be formed here, and these are the tabs. We can add so many tabs here for your which are the apps required, you can place here. So for adding the apps, you can just drag and drop which are the apps you required here. I am placing this one, and also I am placing this one. So like this, we can just drag and drop the apps to add the to create the dashboard which is required to you. Okay, and to manage the dashboard which we have created, so you can go for the webinar what I have created this dashboard. So I can manage this dashboard, so I can click this manage, and you can see here stories and setting up the dashboard also you can see, and I can give the access to the members also here. He should be a reader or contributor or a author. Like this we can give the access, and this dashboard we can share to the specific person or a specific community also, and we can set this dashboard as a favorite, and also we can set this dashboard as when we start the 3D experience it should be open. Like this we can manage the dashboard, and we can just delete like this if you require. So for I have built so many dashboards. Here you can see for customer dashboard and designers, for marketing team, and for testing, and for webinar. These are the dashboards which we have built according to our requirement. So now let us explore some of the applications in collaborative industry innovator and see how they can enhance your productivity and usefulness in your industry. So these are the apps which I have taken. So now I am taking the example of an industry which are doing so many projects, and in a company data storage is very crucial. To ensure its effectiveness, we need dedicated servers and person and security measures, which necessitates a significant financial investment. Now, in a 3D space is the central data management system that enables users to store and organize their design files in collaborative spaces. It functions as a digital vault, providing controlled access to project data and facilitating efficient collaboration among team members throughout various stages of the product lifecycle. Additionally, it removes the necessities for a company server to store project data, which typically requires a dedicated individual to manage, thereby reducing the overall costs. Now, we will see in 3D experience how the 3D space will be useful for an industry or a manager or a design engineer when the industry is working with so many projects, whether it should be a live projects or it is with the over project. So whether it is a completed projects. So these are the 3D space of the user interface looks. So these are the company's projects or industry projects. So many we have stored and we have created the so many spaces. Okay. The engineer or designer, he want to know some of the specific part information, and he want to get to know that what is the status of the part. So you can click and you will go to the specific space where the parts and files are stored. So if you want to get to know the information of the part, you want to know, just you can click this part and you will click information. In the information tab, you get to know that which type of product and what is the title and what is the name and what is the revision it has been now it is working on, or it is completed, and description, and also creation date and where it is created from, and design range also you will get to know, and the collaboration policy, modification days, and the maturity state, whether it in the which state it is in work status, or it is in the to do status, or it is in the frozen state. And also he will also get to know that who is the owner of the part or a particular file, and also organization. And the collaborative space means where the part it has been stored, that collaborative space it will be known for the manager or a designer in the information tab of the part. And also you will get to know the manufacturable or not. So, and also the manager or designer, you want to share the part to the specific person. Just by clicking this share button, just you can share the part, and also we can give the accessible to the only to read, and he can edit. From here you will also know the history of the part, from who it has been accessed and when it has been opened from this here. And also from this directly you can go to the change action, and also you may get to know that what is the relation of the part from here directly. And also you can download the derived outputs from here. So here you can see the histories, when we have accessed from what time. So like this we can get to know. And also from here you can see the revisions. This is about the part information. So how the manager you want to see, you can see. And also you will get the information of the collaborative space also. Here you can see who are the members present, and who is the leader, and who is the author, who can edit. Here you can see. And also you can set the specifications to the some of the person, like he may be edit or not. So you can see like this we can set here. And also we can give the permission to the collaborative space also from here. Okay, this is about the collaborative space, how the manager he will use, means how he can use. The next, you want to know that some of the live running projects, whether it is in which status or it is in which part of running. So now the specific app is present, like bookmark editor. In bookmark editor, the manager he can know that what is the present status of the part, and he will also know who is the owner of that person, and also he can know what are the revisions present in it and how many revisions present in it, and also he can change the owner of that person of the part. So I'm going for the bookmark editor. This is the bookmark editor user interface, how it looks. You can see the live projects which are running here, they are bookmarked. So from here, if I click this part, here you can see the revision which is present, whether it is locked or not, and the description and also owner of this part, and also you will get to know that whether it is in which maturity status, it is in draft or release or in work and product lives, and also this. And also from here you can open with the bookmark editor directly, and also you can download the bookmark, and also you can get the some more information. From here you can see the direct life status of the maturity status of the part here, and also you can generate the revisions from here, and you can see the what are the revisions present in the part, in the part, and also you can generate the new revisions here. And also here you can share this part to the another person, or the person who is present in the team, you can share. And also you can here you can change the owner of this particular part. So the manager just you want to review of this part, so you will just drag and drop to the 3D play where you can see the part. And also he want to get to know that I need a clear review of this part. So you will just, in the olden days, how they are in the previous days, how they are communicating means for the design review, they are taking the screenshot of this part and they were attaching to the Gmails, so they will send to the particular person. But in the meantime, it may be with the data silos, because of so many mails, they maybe get not to know when they send the mail, and they did not know. So for the communication purpose in the platform like a WhatsApp and a Facebook, here the manager he can directly communicate to the specific person here. So how means, so here just you will mark for this, and you can add the text also. You will add I will write I need clear review. So I need clear review, just you can share to the specific person or a specific community. So this is the community. I will select the community 3D experience and the title, and I will write review. So I will publish this to community. So it will be published to the community. The person he will get the notification where when he is present in the community. So you will get to know that the manager has posted some design change. So he will see this one, and also he can ping to the another person directly. Just I'm adding the other person, so he can just ping directly to another person, means for the design review. So after seeing this, the Manu Prasad what I told means I need a just clear review for this. So for the clear review, you can just communicate to the person manager like with a voice call or with a video call, and also you can share the screen for the clear explanation that what he need to change. So after getting the clarity from the manager, he will move to the design review. For that, some specific app is there like collaborative life cycle. Here the designer or a designer head, he can know that what he can see what is the maturity status of the part, whether it is in what work condition and what are the revisions. Revisions means here after frozen or release state, it may be the B1 release state, B1 revision state, or it may be the C1 release state. And also he can change the maturity status of the specific project or the specific part. The designer he will go to the design review, the collaborative life cycle. Here this is how the user interface looks of the collaborative life cycle. The manager said that he want to review some part, this part. So he will just check what is the maturity status of this one. It is in work condition, it is in the in work status. So, and also you will check some of the other perceptions like what is the revisions and which revision it is there, where it is in completed A revision or it is in the P1 revision. So he will check the revisions also here. So you can check here, and he will check the creation date, modification date, and also whether it is published, who is the owner, company name. You will check this one, and also here like this he will check, and also he may have the specific settings what he need to be checked. So here you can set the preferences of checkings here, like revision, comment, vault, type, published, owner, organization. Like this he can set the preferences to see the status of the part. And also from here you can generate the directly new branch, means from derived part, like. And also you can generate the new revisions after the part has been released. So you can see here. And also from here directly you can go for the compare of the part, and also you can get the some of the information of the part. Okay, and the designer, he just drag and drop to the 3D plane, and he will see that he get to know that some of the design it is need to be changed. So for the design change, he need some of the markings, some of the clarity, means some of the markings like where it need to be changed, and the what is where the specific location it need to be changed. So for that he uses the some of the some other app called 3D markup. Here in 3D markup, the designer he can mark the drawings, and he can do the cut section of the part, and also he can check the volume query of the part, and he can generate the issues directly from there, from the 3D markup. So we'll go for the 3D markup. This is the 3D markup user interface, how it looks. So this is the part that manager want to review the full review, and designer get to know that it need to be changed some of the designs. So he is using the 3D markup for clarification of the design review, what need to be changed, and for the marking purpose he will open this one. So it is opened in the 3D markup. So this is the part, it is opened in 3D markup. In the 3D markup, some of the tools, here you can see markup. Here you can do the sections, and also here you can do the directly compare, and here you can measure. And here these the annotations, means we can on and off the annotations which is present in the model. Here this is the view, and we can set the appearance of this part. And here this is the tools where you can check the volume query of the part, and also we can directly go for the relations, means it will show the relations what it is, what are the relation of the part, and also it will show the if any 3D markup we have done initially, so it will show the in the relations. And also we can generate the this is the 3D markup. So he uses this markup tool for marking up the part clearly. Like a PPT we can do, like 3D PPT, 3D PDF we can use this one. So you will create this one, just if a single click you will create this one. So he will measure this one, he will measure, like he will measure, but you will add the text. You will add the text. This should be changed to 16 mm. This is the another. This is how he can use marked, and he can create a PPT. So for the another view, like this is the one view. I need to change. I need to mention I need to mark here, and I need to show, but in the single side I cannot show, but it may be so clumsy. So he uses the another 3D PDF like PPT. So he will do the cut section, whether when I need to mark it. So, and also we'll mark it here. I can change this color also, yellow. I can change this, and he will mark it here. Here, okay. Just he will write as change the thickness. Change the thickness. Oh, like this, we can use the 3D markup for clarity of the part, that for the design changes. So you can mark it and you can publish, and you can attach the files to for the design changes. So after getting this clarification, so for the design change, you want to assign the tasks for the some of the specific team and the specific people. For that, you uses the another app called collaborative task. So here he can set the work of status and to the specific team or the specific project, and also he can set the time of work start and also time of work end, and also he can track the work status of the what the task has been provided to the specific people or the specific team. So you will go to the collaborative task. Here you will generate the task to the specific team. So for the from the manager he will generate the task to the designer, or designer head he will generate to the specific team which is present in the team. So here just you can click new tasks. So here you can give the title of the task, means I will give like design changes or review. Design changes. Just you can click create. So now task has been created, but we did not assign any people to work upon this task, and also we did not assign any attached files for working upon the part. So here we can set the priority of the work status, and also like low, medium, urgent or risk, and also we can set the maturity status, whether it should be to do in work or completed, and also we can set the plan of date, when need to be started and where need to be ended, and also we can here we can attach the files by taking the like directly we can take the files from the collaborative space here, and or we can upload the files from the local files also. And also here some of the checklists we can create here. Here some of the means here we can assign the person who need to work upon the specific design changes. So I will give the name assignees, and the candidates for a assignment. Just I will create like this, and just I will click save. Now task has been created, but how the another persons will get to know the task has been created? When we created the task, it will send the notification to the specific person whom we have assigned. So he will get to know that the person he got assigned from the task. So he will open the collaborator. When we click on the notification, when we click on the task, it will be directly opened in the collaborative task. So here he will get to know that what is the task that I have assigned, and what are the days it is needed to complete with me, and like this he will get to know. And when we started the working, he can just update the percentage of work complete, and he will click save. And if he started the work, the task which is created by the manager or a designer, he will get to know that the work has been started. So notification will come, the work has been started. So after completing this task, you may just drag and drop to the completed. So the work will be completed. After completing the task, the manager or a designer, you need to check that what the design has to be what the design is changed, and what are the revisions are present, and how it can be eliminated with the duplicate parts. So for that he uses the another app called compare. Here you can compare the part which what are the revisions present, whether the part is containing the only one revision or it is with the generated the so many revisions. You can compare it and you can see the what are the design changes made in the part, and also you can set the some of the preferences to compare it. So here you will go for the compare app. From here you can just drag and drop this part, what the manager said you want to design review. So just you will drag and drop here. When the directly the revisions are present, you can just open the revisions what are present. If it is a new part created from this and save, just you can drag and drop this here. Just you can click the compare button here. So you will get to know that what is the design change made and in the which part, and what the if it is the part is added with the extra material or anything, you will get to know. So here you can see this is the Design Pro 4. It is distinct with the different color, and also Xdesign Pro 7 it is distinct with the different color. So and also you can see here the some of the preferences has been compared, like name, creation date, modification date, and also you can set the some of the preferences to compare. Here you can see thumbnail, type, name, revision, creation date. These are the preferences you can set for the compare. So like this you can use the compare app for the comparing the revisions or any part which is made the design changes. So up to now we have seen like collaborative life cycle, task, 3D markup, and also design collaborate bookmark editor, and also organize for the storage 3D space. Up to now we have seen, but manager you need to manage the documents like both CAD and non-CAD data, and also you want to manage the some of the files which is present in the local disk also. So for that you can use the document management app. Here in document management app you can directly upload the files from the local files to the 3D experience platform, and also you can get the directly what are the revisions which is present in the document, and also you can go for the compare directly from the document which have been uploaded to the 3D space or document management. So this document management will directly sync with the Microsoft apps like Word. Directly he can edit from there, and also he can save. This is the document management, how the user interface looks. Here you can see there are upload and new document. Here if you click the upload button, you can upload from the directly from the desktop. Cancel, and also here we can filter, means in like when we are operated like past year, past month, and past week. So like this we can filter it. Okay, now directly we can upload this file from this one, and also you can see the what is the type of document, revisions, last revision, files, number of files present in this, and also log status, and who is the owner, and what is the maturity state, whether it is in which work condition, and you can see, and also you can directly preview the document here what I have uploaded. There is no need to download this directly. Okay, just if you click the preview button, you will get to you can see the uploaded document preview. So here you can see the preview of the uploaded document, and also here you can see edit, log. This is the update, and you can directly download from here, and here we can add a document to the favorites also, and you can get the some more information of this document. Here you can see the title of the document, revision, what are the presents, and in which work status, and the creation date, and who is the owner, organization, and also collaborative space where it is present. If I click edit button, it will be directly downloaded in the background. So if I click this, so it will be open in the Microsoft Word directly. If I click edit button, so it will be open. After editing this one, just I can save this one. Just I will save. Okay, it is in the edit condition. So I need to update this document. So just I can click the update here, and it will go to the documents where it is present, and I can just click this one, open. It will be uploaded directly, or we can cancel the edit button here. So, like this, you can manage the documents where it would be a CAD data or non-CAD data, and also you can directly compare the documents which is present in the collaborative like document management, and also you can share this document. Like this, it is very useful for managing the both CAD data and non-CAD data files. So now the manager or any designer, he want to know the he need to check the what is the relation of the part and whether it is specific with the some assembly, and he want to get to know that what are the impact positions of the part when we have changed the designs, and when we have designed the when we have created the any other revisions. He want to know check the what are the impact positions and how it is been impacted, and what are the parts it has been impacted with the specific part where when we have changed the design. So he uses the relation app. Here you can get the part which is linked with the specific assembly and how it is linked and what is the impact positions when we have changed. So you will go for the relation app. This is the relation SOLIDWORKS relation app, how the user interface looks. So these are the relations I offered. So now I'm going to check with this one. So here you can see for this part the parents, these three are the parents, and you can see 15 impact positions when we have changed this part, the what are the positions it can be impacted. So you can see, and also on again 13 impact positions. So like this you can get the impact positions of the part when by using the relations app, and also representations here you can see, and also you can open with the direct 3D play and product explorer and 3D markup. Okay, this is how we can use the relations app to get the any part changes under any impact positions like in the part when it is linked with the specific assembly. So the next app is called route management. Here route management refers to a system for streamlining workflows by defining and managing a sequence of tasks that need to be completed by different individuals within a project, essentially automating review process, tracking approvals, and ensuring efficient design and release procedures across the product development lifecycle, allowing for better collaboration and control over steps within a project. And here some of the key points of route management, like it will assign the task automation. Task automation is nothing but when you have created the task, the assignees will get the notifications automatically, and collaboration enhancement, and it which has the visibility and tracking, and also version control means it is like a collaborative task. It will combine with the collaborative task, and it will give the route man. And some of the users where we can use the route management means like in the design review process, like and also change order management, and also document release process, and also we can use this route management app in the supplier collaboration. How we will see how we can create the route. This is the route management app, how the user interface looks, and also here we can create the new route here, and also we can change the owner of the route from here, and we can delete also. Just you click new route and title for the route, like I'll write as the design review. Here the collaborative space, just you can see in the advanced, we can set for the approval process or review process, and the content we can add it here, and we can generate the task. Task means just like a collaborative task, we can add here the task. It will be same like a collaborative task, same. So just I can click here. This is the title, like sketching. Sketching review, and the content to review here. We can just search and we can drop it here. So we can add here, and the instructions that how need to check. See thoroughly. Just here, whom need to assign. I will add Anuprasad, and due date means in which up to which date it should be completed. March 8th it is due date, and also assigning to the set due date. You can set apply here. Here it is created the some route. So, and also I should create after sketch review, the next should be the 3D model review or any another review. So for that review, just I will write as the model review. This is the it should be a comment or approve. So we can get here approve, face it, and the instruction that need to be given. Need to check, and also assignee, and the due date. What is the due date? We'll set to 10 and apply. Like this, we can create so many routes for from the initial stage to the document approval process. We can create. Just if I click start here, the notification will send to the specific persons what we have assigned the task. So this is the route what it is created. The notification will go to the specific person. If they click the specific notification, it will be opened in the route. So you will go to the task. You can check here what is the task that has been assigned, and you can just complete here. You can here you can click, or here you can change to mark has been completed after completing this work. So here you can see completed. Now if first it is in the draft step. Why means before completing his task, before this one he cannot access this one. So after completing of this route task only, here he can access. So after completing this one, he can just mark it as a complete. So like this, the route management is very useful when we are dealing with so many projects, and also design review process, and the change order management, and also some of the document release process, and also supplier collaboration. Okay. Lastly, you can see TD expense is how useful means you can use the native cloud applications to connect and disconnect, and also it is immediately available, but there is no need of hardware to purchase, and we have ready to go, and also always it is in the up-to-date status, and we can access from anywhere and anytime, and we do here the security is very much important. At lastly, our conclusion is the collaborative industry innovator of 3D experience plays a vital role in transforming how business operate by integrating advanced 3D modeling and simulation tools. These innovators fosters a real-time collaboration among diverse teams, and also which enhances the creativity and efficiency. This approach accelerates product development while improving quality and sustainability. As the industries increasingly adopt digital solutions, the significance of these innovators will grow. And manufacturing, architecture, and healthcare. Ultimately, their ability to break down the silos means it's a data loss, and promote teamwork not only drives individual project success but also paves the way for a more interconnected and innovative future across various sectors.